Hey you guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. So a question that I get asked frequently is how to save money on groceries. So I'm going to take you through some deals that are currently going on at my local Albertsons. Now, if you have a Vons, a Pavilions, a Safeway, then your stores should be doing these deals as well. So just check your Safeway affiliate to see if the deals are going on in your region. So I'm in the Southern California region, so my Safeway affiliate is Vons, Pavilions, and Albertsons. So I'm going to go through them. But what I want you guys to take note is that these types of grocery deals you're going to see all over because things go on sale in cycles. So you'll see a lot of the same deals going on at different grocery stores across the country because each month has their own like stock up price on items. So definitely look into your local grocery store and just check the ad. And that's like my number one tip is just to look at your grocery circular because our grocery stores have some amazing deals. So whatever grocery store you go to, maybe it be Kroger, maybe it be Safeway, maybe it be, I don't know, Harris Teeter, just get a copy of your sale ad and you will be surprised at the savings. So I'm going to hop into it. So Gatorade and Propel at my Albertsons, they're on sale for 55 cents each when you buy 10 of them. And the regular price is $1.99 each. So this would be a great time to stock up on sports drinks such as Gatorade and Propel. And this does include the sugar-free. So another deal that is really good in my opinion is on the Foster Farms Turkey Franks. So these are on sale for 99 cents and they're part of the Fab 5 deals. So with the Fab 5 deals, you need to buy 5 participating items to get the Fab 5 deal price. So one tip, for example, if your family is one to eat a lot of these like Turkey Franks, then stock up for enough until the next sale cycle, if that makes sense. So when you see things that you buy on the regular, something that you eat every single week, for example, my husband, he eats Turkey Franks almost every other day. So something like this, I want to stock up so that we have enough to last through the next sale cycle. So this is a great option. Because in the month of June and July, that's grill month. So you're going to see a lot of sales on things that are grill related. So if you have not checked my what you should and shouldn't buy in the month of June, I'll have that linked below if you want to go ahead and take a look at that because grilling meats is something that I added in there that is a must buy in the month of June. So the next thing I thought was really good is on the Farmer John pork link sausages. So the 8 count, these are 99 cents, part of the Fab 5 deals, which again, I think is a really good price. So if you're someone who does a lot of pork sausage, this is a great time to get some. Okay, so another deal, a part of the Fab 5 deals, is on Nabisco crackers and snacks. So the Wheat Thins and also the Triscuits and the Good Thins, they are priced for $1.77, a part of the Fab 5 deals. And we just got a 75-cent off 2 coupon that came in our Smart Source June 23. So what you could do is buy 2 of them for $3.54. Use that 75-cent off 2 coupon, making them $1.39 each. Now there was a Checkout 51 offer, but my Checkout 51 says it's no longer available, but there's a 75-cent back on Nabisco graham crackers. So take a look at that. So next deal is Lily's Chocolate. So Lily's Chocolate is on sale for $3.99. Regular price is $4.99. So if this is something that you eat frequently, then my suggestion to you would be buy a few to get you through until the next sale cycle. So always stock up until you can make yourself through the next sale cycle. So blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, they are all buy one, get one free. And I think that is a great deal. You could always freeze these and defrost them when you're ready to eat them. You could freeze them for smoothies. This is just such a great sale when it comes to berries. And again, if you watched my what you should and shouldn't buy in the month of June, berries were in that. Okay, so the next deal is on sweet corn. So if you're grilling for the 4th of July, 6 for $1. That is a killer deal, you guys. So if you have a Vons, Pavilion, Safeway, check your Safeway affiliates, but this is a really great deal. It makes them like 16 cents each per corn on the cob, so great deal. So something else to look out for are Friday only deals. Now I know Kroger does this as well, Ralph's, but select things will be on sale. So one of the Friday only deals that I think is a really good one is on the Coppertone and Banana Boat sunscreen. So they're on sale for $5. We have a printable 2-off-1 coupon for Coppertone, so you would pay $3. Then there is a 25% off coupon on Ibotta, or 25% cash back. So it makes it $2.75, which I think is a really great deal on some Coppertone sunscreen. So the next deal is on select Good Humor ice creams. So they're on sale for $2.99, part of the Fab 5 deals. We have Ibotta offers for Klondike bars, so final cost comes out to $2.49. Also on sale is the Popsicle brand popsicles. They are $2.99. There's a 50-cent coupon as well. If you are new to Ibotta and you haven't used Ibotta, I have a link right here for you to go ahead and sign up. So these are all of the deals that I am sharing with you guys specifically for Albertsons, Vons, Pavilions. But like I said, these tips and tricks on how to save for groceries can apply to any grocery store you're going to. So definitely take a look at your sales cycles. So usually the sales cycles will start over Wednesday of each week. So usually your grocery stores will have a preview come Tuesday. So definitely get the ad, match everything up, and you'd be surprised how much you can save, especially with Albertsons, because they have a really nice grocery reward program to where you collect rewards and it will equivalent to like $1 off. Some of them you can redeem for like meat and bread. If you get, I think it's like 5 grocery rewards, you get $7 off of a $20 meat purchase. Sorry, I'm losing my train of thought, but definitely look into your rebates apps. So definitely download your store's apps because they will have coupons in it and they may have grocery rewards. Some may have gas rewards. Definitely pair up your Ibotta offers when it comes to groceries and printable coupons, manufacturer coupons. If you're in an area that has double coupons, even better. So yeah, I just want to help you guys out as much as I can, especially on saving for groceries. So comment below what your local grocery store is or what your favorite grocery store is to shop at, because I would love to know. If you have a Harris Teeter in your region, that is my all-time favorite grocery store. So if you have a Harris Teeter in your area, I am super jealous right now. So I hope you guys have a fantastic Wednesday. Don't forget to comment below your favorite grocery store, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.